Hi, welcome to a HackerRank training video. Today's video is going to cover CodePair. After a candidate passes a code screen test, the next step in the recruiting process is usually a technical remote interview or an on-site interview with the hiring manager or engineering team. That's when your team can use CodePair. CodePair is a live pair programming tool that helps your hiring manager and candidate have an effective technical interview in a natural coding environment. To create a new CodePair session, you could do so directly in the candidate's report or by clicking into the CodePair tab and creating a new interview. Enter in the candidate's email address and an interview title. The interview title is optional, but this will help your team keep your different interviews organized. Once this is filled out, click Get Interview Link. This generated link will be how your engineering team and candidate enter the CodePair session. The interviewer can see the candidate's timeline with HackerRank and view any reports for past tests and interviews. If the candidate has completed a test, the interviewer can pull in a candidate's solution from the test and have the candidate walk through it with the interviewer. As the interviewer and candidate enter into the CodePair session, they'll be able to identify each other with the colored dots. If the technical interview is remote, we do recommend an interactive interview by using our options of back and forth text chat, an audio phone call, or a face-to-face video conference. The interviewer will also be able to pull in any new questions for the candidate to solve from, either from our HackerRank library or their own custom company question. Once a question is pulled in, the candidate will be able to read the problem statement, choose their language, and begin solving. The hiring manager can see when the candidate is typing, which pad the candidate is on, and if the candidate moves outside of the CodePair session. The hiring manager will also have the option to lock a pad once completed. As the interview is happening, keystroke by keystroke, it will all be recorded in the candidate's report to be able to be played back. The hiring manager will also be able to score and take notes on the candidate's different skills. Once the interview is complete, the hiring manager will click End Interview and enter any feedback. A candidate report will automatically be generated, and the team will be able to see any notes and play back the candidate's code during the whole interview.